Take the air curtain out of the break-proof transport package. Remove the protective styrofoam elements and polythene bag which protects the device from damage. Accessory parts, including the mounting instructions and operation manual, are enclosed with the device. Place the device rear down in front of you for an optimal view on the fitting panel and its locating screws and flat washers. Remove the screws and keep them ready for later mounting stages. The number of screws varies according to the size of the model. Now take off the fitting panel. To install the device above the frame of the desired cold storage cell door, you need to make the necessary marks first. Mark the center of the clearance width. Then close the door and mark the top edge of the door on the wall. Place another mark 3 centimeters above the top edge of the door. Place the fitting panel along this mark without the folded edge and align it using a water level. Now you can mark the drill holes for the panel on both sides of the wall. Use a punch marker to prepare the drill marks in order to avoid the self-tapping screws slipping out of position. Place the fitting panel against the wall again and use the water level to check its correct alignment. Now fix the panel on the wall. Check the plumb line with the water level. If the panel is not in the perfect level, loosen the screws a bit and push a plastic strip under the panel. Use a thicker strip to even out a bigger difference. Please note that the fitting panel needs to be aligned with precision in all directions in order to create an exact vertically downward airflow. Fasten the screws again once you have achieved the desired result. Enclosed with the air curtain, you will find a contact plate for the door contact switch in the polythene bag along with the operation manual. Place the contact plate on the upper edge of the door directly above the rubber door seal. Make sure that the contact plate lies directly below the door contact switch to ensure the device turns on and off when the door is opened or closed. Mark the drill hole. Pre-drill it and fasten the contact plate with the enclosed screws. Hang the device from above to the fitting panel. Then fasten the door air curtain to the fitting panel using the crosshead screws that were removed at the beginning. The door contact switch should protrude by about 1.5 centimeters according to the door construction. Adjust accordingly and tighten the nut to keep the switch in place. Connect the connector plug to the power supply. Use the control element to put the device into operation. The device offers 3 different airspeed levels. For standard door heights of up to 2.20 centimeters, level 3, also called L for low, is sufficient. You should only select a more powerful level if there are additional factors disturbing the airflow. After opening the door, measure the door width to determine the position of the wind wheel. It should always be placed directly in the center of the door frame. The wind wheel may rotate at a high speed at this point since you have not yet made any further adjustments to the door air curtain. To precisely adjust the airflow, carefully shift the adjustable slat below the control element. Adjust the slat until the wind wheel comes to a standstill. Minor occasional movements of the wheel are normal. After successfully adjusting the slat, fix it with silicone in order to prevent the setting being unintentionally changed, for example, by the cleaning staff. The curing time for the silicone is 24 hours. During this time, the device should not be put into operation. Now the door air curtain is fully operational.